Hey everyone, welcome back to Technicalomor. Today we are taking a closer look at a remarkable gadget from Eufy, the S1 Pro robot vacuum. Known as the world's first and best floor washing robot vacuum, it earned the prestigious CES Innovation Award in January 2023. What sets this vacuum apart is not just its cleaning capabilities, but its revolutionary floor washing technology. With dual water reservoirs, it continuously cleans and rinses the mop while spinning at 170 RPM, simulating the effect of human scrubbing with 2.2 lbs of pressure. This ensures that your floors remain spotless and free of residue after every clean. But before we get into details of the S1 Pro, let's take a quick look at Eufy and their journey. Eufy has come a long way. Just 5 years ago, they became the second largest brand in the USA market with their affordable products. Since then, they have continued to innovate, and over the next 3 years, they introduced the world's first self-cleaning technology, making a bold move into the mid to high-end market. Now, this little marvel doesn't just vacuum, it redefines floor entirely. Let's unbox it and see what makes the S1 Pro so special. The entire package comes in a single box, and once you open it, you are greeted with a startup guide and 2 additional boxes. The first box contains the robot itself, while the second one holds all the accessories. Everything is neatly packed, including the Uniclean station, which we will dive into a bit later. Starting with the robot, it's stuck snugly in its cardboard nest, ready for action. Just remember to remove the white protective sponge before using it. You will also find 2 sets of brushes. One set can be clipped to the robot and the other saved as a backup. As for accessories, they provided with a cleaning tool, a bottle of hard floor cleaner, a power cord, and a few extras like a high-performance filter and a dust bag. The rolling mop, which is key to the S1 Pro's floor washing capabilities, is located within the Uniclean station. Setting up the robot is straightforward. Begin by attaching the brushes to the underside of the robot. Just match the red and grey colors, then clip on the rolling mop. To turn the robot on, simply open the magnetic cover on the top, slide the power button to the left, and you will hear a voice notification confirming that it's powered up. Next, you will see 2 QR codes beside the switch, one for the Eufy app and another for additional guides. The app is a powerhouse of features, from scheduling cleaning sessions to customizing maps for areas the robot should avoid. It even keeps a log of all cleaning activities, so you can track the robot's performance. Now, let's talk about the Uniclean station. Start by plugging in the power cord and winding any excess cable to keep it tidy. Place the station against a wall, manually dock the robot, and it will begin charging. Once that's set, remove the clean water tank. Peel off the cleaner seal and insert the included cleaner. Fill the water tank with fresh water up to the max level, being careful not to overfill it. Attach the tank back in place, and voila, you are all set up. Now, let's dive into what makes the Eufy S1 Pro truly special. The Eufy S1 Pro takes floor cleaning to the next level with its floor washing system, which uses a dual water reservoir. The mop spins at 170 RPM and it's constantly cleaned and rinsed with a mix of water and detergent, ensuring spotless floor every time. It mimics the scrubbing motion of human hands, applying 1 kg of pressure to remove even the toughest stains. While it's wide, 290mm reach covers large areas quickly and efficiently. Paired with the innovative 10-in-1 Uniclean station, the S1 Pro offers a seamless cleaning experience. The station automatically handles tasks like emptying, washing, refilling, and even heated air dyeing. Its built-in EcoClean ozone technology ensures floors are sanitized, while its intuitive LCD touch controls make the process incredibly easy. Add features like hygienic dust bag and fast charging, and you have got a hassle-free system that takes care of your floors with minimal effort. The S1 Pro's square design is a game changer for precision cleaning. It reaches tight corners and edges that circular robots often miss, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. Powered by 8000 pascal of suction, it effortlessly pulls dust and debris from carpets and hard floors, while the detangling brush minimizes hair entanglement, reducing the need of manual upkeep. To navigate your home, the S1 Pro relies on 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance, using advanced infrared imaging and an RGB camera to mimic human vision. The robot's true course mapping technology, powered by Ditto OF Leader and 3D Slam, allows it to create real-time maps with exceptional speed and accuracy. One standout feature is the built-in EcoClean ozone system. The station's clean water tank uses ozone to disinfect floors, removing from 99.99% of bacteria without harmful chemicals. When cleaning carpets, the robot lifts up the mop by 12mm, preventing damage while ensuring deep carpet cleaning. On the design front, the S1 Pro sets a new benchmark with its futuristic, minimalist build that effortlessly blends into any modern home decor. It's not just about looking good, its sleek, streamlined body enhances both aesthetics and usability. Whether placed in a corner or on a display, it adds a touch of elegance to your space, making it feel like a take-forward appliance that belongs. But don't let its compact size fool you. This robot is packed with power, designed to deliver maximum cleaning efficiency without taking much space. Its low-profile design allows it to glide under furniture effortlessly, reaching areas that traditional vacuums often miss. One standout aspect of its design is its ergonomic user-centered approach. The S1 Pro's height is optimized to prevent discomfort when interacting with it, whether you are emptying the dustbin or refilling the water tank. Speaking of the water tank, its transparent, see-through design is both practical and visually appealing. At a glance, you can check the water levels without needing to open the tank, ensuring that the robot is always ready for the next cleaning session. It's little details like this that set the S1 Pro apart, making everyday use smooth and intuitive. Even the LCD touch controls on the UniClean station reflects this attention to the design. The interface is simple, sleek and easy to navigate, allowing anyone to operate it without a steep learning curve. It takes a few taps to adjust settings or start a cleaning session, making it accessible to all age groups and skill levels. This combination of form and function truly elevates the S1 Pro, transforming it from just another robot vacuum into a sophisticated, user-friendly home companion. What truly makes the Eufy S1 Pro a cut above the rest is its innovative approach to floor care. Unlike conventional flat or dual-spin mops, the S1 Pro uses a unique roller mop that provides superior cleaning efficiency. It redefines the floor cleaning process by addressing the challenge of maintaining mop cleanliness during use, ensuring that your floor stays spotless without cross-contamination. The dual water tank system is another breakthrough, separating clean and dirty water, so the mop is constantly refreshed. While other vacuums can't manage this level of cleanliness, the S1 Pro ensures that the mop is working with clean water throughout the process. Plus, its dirty water tank collects debris, which is something you won't find in typical robot vacuums. On the top of that, the S1 Pro boasts a remarkable up to 99.9% sterilization rate thanks to its EcoClean ozone technology combined with a pet-safe cleaning solution. It provides a deep chemical-free clean that's safe for both humans and pets. And since ozone water is generated using just tap water, there is no risk of harmful chemical residue being left behind. So, there you have it, the world's first and best floor washing robot vacuum, the Eufy S1 Pro. With its groundbreaking self-cleaning technology and powerful performance, it's truly a game changer for home cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more gadget reviews from Technicalomor. And as always, if you have any questions or want to see something in the specific future videos, drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.